Hi friends, this video shows how to connect Google TV Streamer 4K device to any Android tablet like this and watch movies and shows. See, here I can browse content, movies and shows using this remote. I will show you how we can set up this, what are the components required, how we can connect all these components together. See, these are the components required. Google TV Streamer 4K device, Android tablet, then this video capture card, USB to USB Type-C adapter, HDMI cable. This is the power cable for this Google TV Streamer 4K, and here you can see the remote controller of this Google TV Streamer. First I am going to connect this video capture card to this adapter. Okay, done. Here you can see the HDMI port. Here I am going to connect this HDMI cable. Okay, done. Next I am going to connect this video capture unit to tablet. Okay, done. After that, in this tablet we need to install one app, USB camera app. We can install this app from Google Play Store. I already installed this app. Here you can see two USB camera app. Both will work. In this video I will be using this second one. Let me open this app, tap on this app icon, tap on OK. Then press this home button on the remote. See, now we can see content from Google TV Streamer device in this tablet. I can browse content, movies and shows. So next I will show some settings of this USB camera app. Tap on the screen and here you can see the settings icon. Tap here. Here we can change resolution. Frame rate also we can change, video format, flip settings, brightness, contrast, saturation. So all this we can adjust. So let me close this. If you want to take screenshot from movie or show, you can use this button, screenshot button. See, saved picture. We can also record movie or show. For that we can use this record button. Tap here, see, start recording. If you want to stop, you can again tap here and stop. Okay, so this way we can connect Google TV Streamer 4K device to Android tablet and watch content. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.